welcome to Math Simplified. This video is for 10th standard students. Please subscribe and share with your friends also. Today we are going to study relations and functions. Let A and B be any two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B for A belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B through R. So the example of two sets A and B, we have these elements in A and these elements in B. So what is A cross B? These are these ordered pairs. We have studied about this in the previous video. Please go through that once again. You'll remember how to do the ordered pair. Okay, now we are interested in this set R, that is the relation R. Okay, so this is also a set of ordered pairs x, y such that y is equal to x minus 2. X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. So it is a set of only those ordered pairs which satisfies this relation between X and Y. Okay, we cannot take other ordered pairs. So here, supposing the value of X is 5, the value of Y will be 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, so 5 and 3 satisfy this relation. So we'll put it in the set R. Okay, then 6. So we put here 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes, 4 is also here. So we'll put 6 and 4. It satisfies this relation. 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, 5 is also here. So it satisfies this relation. 7, 5. That's all. 8, if you take 8 minus 2 is 6. But 6 is not here in the set B. So we cannot take 8. So this is the set R. These are the ordered pairs which satisfy this relation. So this is the required set. So now this relation will have a domain. The domain are the x values 5, 6, 7. And the range are the y values 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let's go to exercise 1.2. Question 1. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 7. B is equal to 3, 0. Minus 1, 7. Which of the following are a relation from A to B? So there we have to check out if these relations are actually a relation of this sets. So for that, first you should do the A cross B. Okay, so write down set A, write down set B and write down the cross product. Okay, you have got the cross product. Now let's take the first relation, R1. First set I should say. We have to check if it is a relation. R1 is a set. So these are the two ordered pairs. So we know that the first condition is that relation should be a subset of A cross B. Now here this element does not belong to A cross B, and even 7 and 1 also does not belong here. That means what? This set is not a subset of A cross B, not a relation. So take as next set R2. Minus 1, 1, that also does not belong here. So this set is not a subset of A cross B, not a relation. R3, all these elements belong to A cross B. 2 minus 1, here it is. 7, 7, here it is. 1, 3 is here. So this set is a subset of A cross B and it is a relation. R4, here we find that 0, 3 and 0, 7 does not belong to A cross B. So even if one element does not belong to A cross B also, then it will not be a subset of A cross B. So it is not a relation. Question 2. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 45. R be a relation defined as is square root of on A. Write R as a subset of A cross A. Also find the domain and range of A. So first write down the set A cross A. All the ordered pairs. Here there is many like 45 into 45. That many ordered pairs you will get. So you are just putting a dot dot and the last ordered pair will be 45, 45. Okay. And now we are interested in R. What is the relationship between X and Y? In R, X is the square root of Y. So okay, let's take the 1. 1 is the square root of 1. Okay, this belongs to R. Next number 2. 2 is the square root of 4. That also belongs here. 3 is the square root of 9. Okay, this ordered pair. 4 is the square root of 16. 16 is also within 45. 5 is a square root of 25. We'll take this ordered pair. 6 is a square root of 36. That also satisfies this relation. So we'll take it. Now 7 is the square root of 49. See, it's going out of the set A, 49. We have set A only up till 45. So we will not consider 7. We'll close the bracket here. So this is the set R. And the set is a subset of this set. All these ordered pairs will be in this A cross A. So what is domain? Domain is all the x values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the range is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. Question 3. A relation R is given by the set xy such that y is equal to x plus 3. X belongs to this set. Determine its domain and range. So the set x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y is defined as y is equal to x plus 3. Okay. So write down R. Put the curly bracket. Take the first x. Put it here. Y is equal to x plus 0 plus 3. 3. So write down the y value. So this is the first ordered pair. Next ordered pair, put x is equal to 1 and you will get 4 as y. So 1 and 4. Put x is equal to 2, you will get y 5. So 2 and 5. 3, you will get 6. So 3 and 6. 4, you will get 7. So 4 and 7. And last 5 if you put, you will get y is equal to 8. So this is the set R. So all these ordered pairs will satisfy this relation between x and y. So, okay, the domain, very easy. Write down these values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the domain. Range is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the range. Question 4. Represent each of the given relation by arrow diagram, a graph, a set in roster form wherever possible. Okay, 1. The first set is xy such that x is equal to 2y, x belongs to this set and y should belong to this set. Okay, this is the relation. So let us take first x is equal to 2. Then the value of y will be 1. And 1 is belonging to the next set. So this is a ordered pair. Put 3 here x. Y will be 3 upon 2. But 3 upon 2 is not here. We should not consider that. 4. 4 you put x. So y will be 2. 2 is here. So write down 4 and 2. Put x is equal to 5. Y will be 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is not in this set. So we won't take that. So what is R? It is a set of these two ordered pairs which will satisfy this relation. This x and y will satisfy this relation. Okay. So this is the roster method of writing the R. Now let's write it in arrow diagram. Draw the sets x and y. List out the elements of x, y. And this relation you show it with a arrow like this. 2 is relation 1. So put an arrow mark like this. 4 relation 2. Put an arrow mark. That's all. This is called the arrow diagram. Then comes the graph. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. You know how to plot points in graph. 2, 1. X coordinate is 2. Y coordinate is 1. This is the point. This point is x coordinate is 4. Y coordinate is 2. So this is the graph. Next sum. Question 4. Ordered pairs xy such that y is equal to x plus 3. X and y are natural numbers less than 10. So x and y set is the same. Natural numbers less than 10. List it out. Then we are going to write the set R. Okay. This is defined by this, that y should be x plus 3. So whatever is the value of x, you have to add 3 to it and you will get the value of y. So let's start. Put 1. X is equal to 1. The value of y will be 4. So 1 and 4. Similarly, if you put 2, your y will be 5. Put 3, x is equal to 3, y will be 6. Put x is equal to 4, y will be 7. Put x is equal to 5, y will be 8. Put x is equal to 6, y will be 9. So this is, close the bracket, this is the set R, relation R, which is defined by this equation, y is equal to x plus 3. So draw the arrow diagram, draw two oval shapes, list out all the numbers here and numbers here also, because x and y are the same. And then draw the relation 1 to 4 by an arrow like this. 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 6, 4 to 7, 5 to 8 and 6 to 9. That's it. This is an arrow diagram. Similarly, graph you can draw in a chart paper, graph paper, x-axis, y-axis, and you can plot these points. Okay, question 5. A company has 4 categories of employees: assistants A, clerks C, managers M, and an executive officer E. The company provides 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh as salaries to people who work in categories A, C, M, E respectively. If A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 are assistants, C1, C2, C3, C4 were clerks, M1, M2, M3 were managers, E1, E2 were executive officers, if the relation is defined by X, R, Y, where X is the salary given to a person, Y. Express the relation R through ordered pair and arrow diagram. So we have assistants. They are getting a salary of 10,000 and there are 5 assistants. The A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Clerks, only 4 clerks, C1, C2, C3, C4, and each will get 25,000. Managers, 3 managers, M1, M2, M3, they'll get 50,000 salary. Executives, only 2, E1, E2, 1 lakh salary. Now what is the relation? How are you going to write it? That it is defined by X, R, Y, where X is the salary given to a person, Y. So X is salary. So the first you have to write down salary, like 10,000. And then the person. So A1 gets 10,000, A2 gets 10,000, like that. Let's write it down. See, R, set R, put the brackets, the first ordered pair. 10,000, the salary we have to write first, to the assistant, first assistant. So 10,000 A1, 10,000 A2, 10,000 A3, 10,000 A4 and 10,000 A5, comma. Now we'll go to the clerk, first clerk, C. So first salary you have to write. X is salary, Y is the person. So 25,000 is the salary, 25,000 C1, 25,000 C2, 25,000 C3, 25,000 C4. Then comes the managers, 50,000. So 50,000 M1, 50,000 M2, 50,000 M3, 1 lakh E1, 1 lakh E2. Close the bracket. This is the set R. And you have to draw the arrow diagram. So first set is the salaries. This is the employees. List out all the employees. List out the salaries. Draw this 10,000. All the assistants will get 10,000. So put an arrow mark towards all the assistants. 25, all the clerks. 50,000, all the managers. And 1 lakh to the executives. So here we come to the end of the exercise. Please go through the video once again. Pause the video in each sum and practice them.